Hi everyone, in this video I want to talk about what while loops are in Python, what we use them for, and how we can implement them into our Python programs. While loops, much like if and for loops, check if a condition is true and continue to perform some operation as long as that condition is true. Using a while loop, our nested bit of code, that is, the code that will become active while a certain condition is true, will continually loop. So, let's say that we wanted to create a really simple timer that adds 1 second per loop. We only want our timer to operate while the timer is less than 5 seconds. So, we initialize our timer variable at 0 seconds. Then, we state that while our timer is less than or equal to 5 seconds, we perform the following chunk of code. Obviously, here this piece of code is super simple, but the same logic applies for longer repeating pieces of code. So, let's also add a print statement here at the bottom too, to ensure that we can see the loop working. Well, what if our testing condition is actually false? Well, let's remember what we did for our if statements. Remember that we added an else statement? Well, we can actually do the same thing for while loops as well. So, below our timer here, we can add an else statement that we will print to the user if we are above our time limit. Therefore, we can see that our timer will count up time, and when we exceed 5, we receive our timeout statement from the print console, which is what we were looking for. The use of these while loops in Python can be incredible. In the next video, we'll explore this topic further. Thank you for checking out this video, and I hope it helped your fundamental understanding of what while loops are in Python. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe to support the channel. However, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns about the information I provided in this video, please leave a comment down below and I will do my best to address your concerns.